Hello guys, welcome to Couponzania. Couponzania is a deal and coupon website, so you can get top deals on more than 200 brands across the world. So today we'll be talking about this brand called Bluehost. So to get a deal or coupons on that specific brand, you have to click on all stores and find your brand Bluehost. So this is Bluehost. Now about Bluehost. Bluehost is one of the top companies and been recommended by WordPress since 1995, and they are very good in their business. So when we talk about getting a domain, or if your hosting has SSL certificate or not, their support is fantabulous. There's around 24/7 support. So if you have any issue, you can directly reach out to them via cell phone, or you can just chat over live chat option. And other than that, they do provide free CDN, so your site won't be slow for any user from different locations. For example, usually if a server is based in India, so the loading time for the US people will be comparatively slower than the one in India. So this is how it works, and CDN gives so basically CDN ensures that all the data is stored in different locations. So this makes it possible for the user to communicate with the server very fast. So that is totally free. So to get any deal on Bluehost, what you have to do is you have to visit the store Bluehost, and you can find any of the deal you want. So there's flat 40% off, 80% off. So sometimes it could be limited time offer, but you can of course check it. So for example, let's check this one, up to 65% off on web hosting. I click on get deal, and a new window will open, and so what you can see is you are getting this deal for 175 rupees, and it was for 400 rupees. So 50%, 60%, around, it is around 60-70%, I don't know, I'll have to calculate, but I'm getting it for 175. So let's see what's there in this particular hosting. Free drag and drop, this is not no use, and free domain for first year. So of course domain comes for around $8 to $10 a year, so you're getting it for free. So if you are a newcomer, or if you're planning to set up a new website and you haven't purchased a domain yet, you can do it here. So if you buy a yearly plan, you get a domain for free. You have a free SSL, some SEO tools, and CDN for free. There's a free site migration. I think they give 2 or 3 free migrations a year. I'm not sure, you'll have to check it. And of course you have 24/7 support. So let's find out more about them. Okay, so there are 3 plans. So if most of people are using WordPress for their site, so I believe according to statistics, around 55% of website across the world are based on WordPress. So WordPress is very sexy, it is already SEO optimized, and you have all the features which is needed for a website to rank on Google. So this makes it very easy, and of course you don't need any type of technical skills to make a website. So you just need to know some basics about what is hosting, what is domain, what is SSL, and etc. So WordPress hosting is the best hosting if you're planning to set up your website on WordPress. Other than that, if you have Wix or Bloggers or any other Joomla, other CMSs, you can definitely use shared hosting, or they also have Linux hosting, I think, so you can do that. So let's assume that we are trying the WordPress hosting. So I'll just click on learn more. Now you have 2 locations. So of course so locations won't be a life-changing goal, but if your customers are based in US or India, definitely you can choose the locations between them. So let's sorry, let's assume we have the location India, and we will be getting the basic plan. So it was for 399, around 400 rupees, and it is now for 180 rupees. So the data center will be in India. I'll be having one website, 50 GB SSD, unmetered bandwidth. So this is not actually unmetered, but a user of around 1000 to 1200 real-time users is what this server can handle. After that, the server might crash, or you might face loading time issues, or etc. Because this is a shared system, so of course there are limitations, and you're not getting everything for just 179 rupees. So of course you are getting a domain for a year for free, stacking environment. So if you want to make a copy and try different stuff, or make changes to your website and then make it live, you can use the stacking environment. Of course there are some website builders. So basically, if you are on WordPress, you won't need this stuff because the themes and plugins are the one which is used to make your website. Then other than that, you're getting free SSL. So this icon, what you see like on every website, there's a lock icon. So that means they are secure network, they are on secured socket layers, and that is SSL, and you get it for free. Usually it is paid, and depending on the security, it is like, I don't know, I'm not sure, it is some 256 bytes or something. I'm not sure about that, but it is a secured server, so you'll get it for free. And there is automatic daily malware scan, so of course you're getting the malware scan. Speed boosting CDN, so you're getting it for free. This is usually for 4499 for a year. So I think this is the same CDN we're talking about. Then you have a dashboard and email marketing tool, and you have I think they provide all those email things. So I'm not sure, you'll have to check it, because I've never used Bluehost, because I always liked the AWS parent system. So my site is on AWS, so I'm not sure about how the performance is, but I've used other companies, and based on that I can definitely say Bluehost is on the top 3. So this is one. So you're getting these things. If you go for a higher plan, you'll get unlimited websites and unmetered. So mostly if you're planning to host around 3 to 5,000 real-time users, you can definitely start with plus plan, and you'll get unlimited websites, etc. So let's stick to the basic one. I'm selecting this one. So if you don't have a domain, you can just click, like, type the domain name and click on next, or if you own a domain already, you can just put it here, and I'll create my domain later, so I'm sticking to this one. I don't have a domain right now. And now you have to fill in all the details, or you can use the sign in with Google option. And now, okay, so for 36 months you're getting it for 6300. I'm removing this website backup because there are free tools that do it for free, and I'll remove this. Okay, so this is a private company which gives SSL, so you don't need that because we have it for free. So on total, I see the amount is coming around 8064, but it's a 56% off, so I'm getting it for 6300. So you save 56% on a yearly plan. And of course, if you would have gone for, let's say, 12 month, so it would get down to 40%. So let's stick to 36 months, and I'm getting a top of like 56% off. So this is how it is. Other than that, we have more competitors and top brands of hosting. So when you click on category, you can find this option, domain and hosting. So we have covered more than 80% of the hosting companies in the world, and we have provided around 70 to 80% on the hosting, all the hosting. So let's stick to this page. Now what we can see here is we have InterServer, we have Fast Comet, we have WHUK, we have Wigrock, and HostGator definitely, and Hostinger. So if you are very concerned about the budget and you want the best service with a fast website, of course everyone will say that you should go for Hostinger, because this is how Hostinger is. It is very good. And what else? We have Bluehost, we have Trunky Internet, we have one.com of course, but these are very costly. But if someone is looking for full packed hosting plan, they could go for one.com. And we have EUK Host, Fast Comet, of course I told it before. Reseller hosting, EasyWP. It is very cheap, but I think there is a limitation here. EasyWP is very cheap, so I'll just click on Get Deal and show you. So it is very cheap, but the limitation is you don't have email, so you'll have to purchase email hosting separately. So I'll show you. This is very good, but just they are missing is the integration of the email hosting with the same. Otherwise this is the best one. So I'll show you. Okay, build yearly, 35% off on first year, because I've used this. I had used this around 2-3 years back, and $44 is I think around 4,000 rupees. This has gone up. I think the price has gone up, because when I purchased it, I had got it for around 3,000 rupees for a year, and I was using this EasyWP Supersonic, and it was fantabulous. It was very fast. So what you're getting here is you're getting 100 GB SSD storage, 500k visitors, so around 5 lakh visitors you're getting. You have better CPU, better RAM, and free CDN. Of course they are Namecheap is also into CDN and VPN things. So if you are planning to get a better host, and if you have any other external hosting for email provider, you can definitely get this one. And let me see what else. Of course Hostinger is very cheap, I told you, and we have an introductory offer. So if you are planning to get a hosting which has everything and is very cheap, you can always start with InterServer. So I'll show you. So $0.1 off for the first month. So what you have to do is you have to click on reveal coupon, and this is a coupon code Couponzania. So this is the offer, exclusive offer to viewers, $0.1 first month, coupon code Couponzania. What you have to do is, of course this is the best hosting. I used it for around 4 years, 4 to 5 years, and this is the best hosting. The reason to quit this one was I got, like, my viewers increased, so I was getting around 1000 to 1100 real-time users, and this wasn't able to handle well. So this was the only reason I had to upgrade, otherwise I wouldn't have. So I'll show you the things they are offering. So you have unlimited SSD, so no limitations on the files. You have unlimited email accounts. So for example, if your domain is let's say couponzania.com, so I can make unlimited emails, like let's say Rajat at couponzania.com, then I can say XYZ at couponzania.com. So this is unlimited email accounts. You have 30 days money back guarantee, of course. You have content caching, free migration, free SSL, free protection. Website builder is of no use. So and what else do you have? So they haven't provided any. You get cPanel, of course. cPanel is I say the traditional dashboard for managing this servers. You get it for free. I'm sorry. So yes, this is what it is. So they have unlimited storage, unlimited data transfer, like no limitations on bandwidth, and free FTP accounts, unlimited SSD caching, very fast, so very fast server. I'll tell you this thing. I had compared top pings, like the fastest websites of for data transfer. So this was one of the fastest. So this is how good they are. So so for this, what you have to do is just open the website and let's say buy now. So you can register a new domain on. So for example, let's see, I'm doing copanzania.com. Just clicking on continue, and no, I don't want it. You can optionally transfer. No, I don't want it. So what you have to do is, okay, you'll have to sign up. So I'm not doing this stuff. What you have to do is you have to just fill this and click on agree terms, and then there will be an option to enter a coupon. So you just have to enter this Copanzania. Where is it? This one, COUPONZANI, and you get it for 0.1 cent, which is around 10 rupees or 2 rupees. I am not sure, but it is around, I think 10 rupees. You can pay that for first month and use this and get to know that how good they are. Then you can definitely, they charge $2.50 per month, so that makes $23 a year. So that is around 2000 rupees. No, just a second. 25, 23, 1700 rupees. This is very cheap, and you get everything which you need if you are a starter or a beginner, of course, and you can use this. So you can get all the deals and offers which we have on Copanzania. Thank you very much for watching, and of course you can comment down if you need any specific deals or offers on any specific brand, and definitely we'll make sure we get those brands on board. Thank you very much for watching. Happy shopping.